We provide a roadmap for success when planning to build swimming pools, spas, fountains, and water features. The assembly of mechanics that are to be delegated the responsibility for an interpretive meaning from the schematics will need clear and concise instructions if successful results are to be anticipatable. Thus, what we bring to the table to our clients is a seasoned veteran knowledge anchored in our industry-recognized accreditations, together with generations of construction experience in designing and building successful results. Our process begins with planning for success in layered levels, starting with Level 1. Our planning approach exhibits the scaled dimensions for the infield benchmarks. These references allow an accurate site layout to represent the appropriate excavation results. Details are provided that indicate the proper bottom contours together with interior seating, entry steps, and swim-out benches. In planning for these interior attributes, special considerations for providing a custom result may involve providing directions for unique characteristics such as cantilevered swim-outs, wall-hung entry steps, and reclining spa seating conformities, which may be introduced into the design concept. Site-specific equipment and pool structure setback restrictions must be exhibited together with compliance for a homeowners association or architectural review guidelines, as well as public utility easement regulations. The advancing instructions of Design Level 2 can provide installation directions for the plumbing and electrical elements, which will involve the piping, conduits, and wiring runs. How this works is that corresponding numbers are assigned to each pipe and conduit that are coming from the pool or spa area. These are then paired to their destinations on the equipment pad in a numerical sequence. This makes it as easy as 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, allowing the diagrammed intention to transition into the installation practice. In a like-minded approach, the conduits for the electrical and lighting systems are also numerically represented in the same fashion, being paired to the destinations on the equipment pad as well. The advancing instructions for Design Level 3 can provide installation directions for the nationally accepted standards involving safety codes and safety barrier guidelines. These will involve the specifications for single and double gates, pool covers, and compliant fencing conformity. The advancing instructions of Design Level 4 can provide construction installation details that offer further directions for many industry practices and manufacturer protocols for accomplishing a proper installation. These can exhibit elements of consideration such as the proper wire sizing and relay power distribution for the automated systems load centers. Custom details can offer specific instructions for any diagrammed intention that is intended to become part of the reality of a project's complete picture. Design Level 5 involves the structural engineering directions for steel reinforcement and concrete thickness. This design component will offer a standard boilerplate approach or a site-specific approach that can provide directions for the proper erection and thickness for any unique feature. Design Level 6 can provide a diagrammatic representation of the equipment pad, which involves the product selections for the pump, filter, heater, sanitizer, lighting, controls, and automation system. This information is exhibited on the Level 6 sheet with the published manufacturer's equipment performance charts. It confirms the accomplishment of compliance for the Title 24 Energy Efficient Hydraulic Flow Characteristics standards, together with affirming adherence to the National Electric Code standards for amperage load demand and wire sizing's allowable voltage losses. Design Level 7 can provide direction for the deeper meaning for how to build a first-class in-ground therapeutic spa to the level of international standards. This is accomplished by exhibiting the very important fundamental necessities that are required in achieving the ultimate from plan controllability while incorporating the most important aspects of flexibility to the anticipated operational functions. After a spa is built and ready to use, the variables in adjustment that can provide refinement to the enjoyability will become the measurement of its attributes. So, better planning can allow design focus to anticipate what level of sophistication is desired and what elements will factor into accomplishing enjoyability. We produce plans and specifications for both residential and commercial projects. The level of direction that is provided on our plans isn't merely coming from a design archive. It's coming from 3 generations of hands-on construction in-field practice. If you're looking to get something truly anticipatable from the design intent, then please entertain retaining us as a resource, and you won't become disappointed. Our consulting services can range from planning to construction management, inclusive of the issuances of RFPs and RFI transmittals, together with orchestration and contract administration of the construction performances. We can cater the level of involvement to the needs being required and that of the importance you place on our participation. So please give us a call and we will be happy to discuss working together in planning, designing, and or building the best value your money can purchase.